Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put a shape behind text in Photoshop for many way. See this text, click a new layer and add a text. Edit any shape. Example. Then select any shape, press enter and drag your mouse. Edit stroke color. Text, white text. Right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, raster layer. Press Ctrl T. Warp. Okay, and another way. See this shape. Right click, horizontal type tool, and again add a text. Shape, and click. Then type anything. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel.